Hi everyone, welcome back to Ingenious TechHub channel. So in this session, we will discuss how to send request payload using map. Okay, so if you are new in the API testing and rest assured, please watch my previous video. Otherwise, this video means this session you guys are not able to understand. Okay, so we have a complete playlist end of the video. I will show you from the a scratch. I have started this course, and if you missed this the previous session, please watch first previous session. Otherwise, this video will not helpful for you guys. Okay, so let's move. The topic is how to send request payload using the map. So let me create a. So first of all, I want to show you the in the Postman. Actually, we are working on the Postman API. Okay, so here we have a request payload. So this by using this request payload, we can create a workspace. Okay, 1 second, guys. Okay, so by using this payload, let me keep up. Okay, so we can create a workspace. So this one, how we can pass this request using the hash map. So this thing we will learn. Okay, we will execute this. So this is the topic, how to send the request using the map. Okay, so we'll so let's move in the Eclipse. Okay, so here first we can create a two map objects. So we'll create a map object, has map. Okay, and I'll keep this is your a string type and this is your object. Okay, this is your main I can say main object, I can say, and again this is your has map. Let me copy. Okay, let me copy. Okay, this is main map object I have created. Then I will create a nested map object. Okay, so now I'll take both as a string here. Okay, so I'm going to take a string and this is your nested object. Okay, and new, I'll just copy paste. I copy paste it, and now if you will go here, this is your main hatch map object I took. This is your workspace type. So first I will store here nested object one, right? So how to do that? So here we having the put method. Okay, so the first is your name. Okay, so what is the you know sorry, let me. So here workspace name, right? So here I'm going to pass workspace name is rest stored map test. Okay, now another one, nested dot put. What is this? Another one is your type. So type is have a person. Okay, sorry, personal, not a person, personal. Type is your personal. Okay, so manually if you will hit the request, then you will get workspace is created, but this request payload I am using as a hash map, and we are going to pass as a request payload as a hash map. Okay, let me write this that code, then will you will get more clarity what actually this is. So now we have a put, and here in description, this is your description. Okay, so this description I will give like some description we have to give. So I'm just giving this is this work space uh, created by map. Okay, now this is fine. So now this is your you have a store here nested object, right? But in the main object you have to also store. So you can see put So here what you have to pass, here you have to pass this one. Okay, so this is your main object. Inside this we have a nested object, right? So like how this request body and request payload, how we have a store inside this map. Now we can use the simple uh, our code given, then we have a here body, right? Body, okay, given and body. So in the body what we can pass, we can pass here this, right? Main object. Okay, given. Now we have a when, right? And when we have a post method, right? So here what we are passing, we are passing the endpoint. So endpoint is workspace. Okay, this is our endpoint. Okay, now let me just refer my ppt. Okay, so here workspaces, that is fine. Now given ke sorry, after given we have a given, then sorry, when and then given, when and then. So we follow the BBD, right? We follow the BBD. This all things we have already discussed, right? Then assert. Now just we are doing some assertion here, okay, and then body. Okay. So we are using the Hamcrest library. So what is the Hamcrest and all? We have already discussed here. So here we have a work a space dot name. Okay, so we are passing here JSON path and all here. Okay, so we have a editor. So I will make some separate video for that, but here we are extracting the workspace name. So workspace dot name. Okay, now we having the method called equals method, right? So equal method, equal, okay, equal to method. In equal to method we will pass here this one, right? So when workspace is created, it will compare. Now we will validate here, uh, we will validate here workspace id. Okay, so we will validate here workspace id, workspace dot id. Okay, then equal method, equal to method. Okay, here guys, you can see here, if you will go in the postman, if you will create this, the one id will be generated, right? So how to validate this id? So here we can pass some regular expression as per my ppt. So this regular expression we will pass here. So we have a cap, then, so if you want to explore the regular expression, you can just google it, you will get more idea about of that. But you could see whatever the number and whatever we have a alphabetical order is coming, we are passing the same here. Then 0 hyphen 9, then hyphen, sorry, hyphen. Okay, and then now after that we have a curly braces 36. Okay, and we have a dollar. Okay, so that's all guys. So let me explain you one more time what we have done. We are going to create a workspace, and in this here, this is the request payload. Okay, so if you can see here, if I will hit, then it will create a new request, sorry, workspace will be created, right? So you can see now we having the only two workspace, right? Now I'm going to create this by using this, we have a request payload, right? So this request payload I am passing in the hash map, and I'm going to create a new workspace, and here I'm validating the workspace. Okay, how to validate the workspace? So this is your Hamcrest library. We are using the Hamcrest library body method, and we are extracting the name of the workspace dot name, and we have a equals method, right? And here we are validating the id. So let me execute this code. Okay, something is failing. We need to check. Okay, I think we missed something because ID is not matching. Okay, so let me check once in my PPT. Am passing correct or wrong? Yeah, 36 and dollar A to Z 029 hyphen. I'm not sure why it is failing. I need to check once. Okay, guys, so actually our test case is failing. Let me show you the console. If I'm able to show you. Okay, so here you can see our test case is failed because expected is this, but we have missed something here. This bracket, I think I have missed it. So let me execute one more time and let's see how it will work. Again, it is failed. Again, we need to check. Invalid request payload. Assertion 1 does not, ID does not match with this. Okay, let me recheck why it is failing. Okay guys, so test case was failing. Just I paused the video. I have checked it why it was failing because I was using the wrong method. Okay, so you have to use your matcher pattern method and you have to pass this expression. If you have any typo, then it will fail. Okay, so we have to take care of this. Okay, this regular expression. So in the last time our test case was failing, so I fixed this problem. And let me execute and will show you the output. Okay, so I change this workspace name here. Okay, so now we can see our test case is passed and let me show you. You can see now our test case is passed and workspace is created. So I have created a workspace for rest assured test one. If you will go here, uh, if you will go in the postman, and you can see here now this workspace is created. Okay, this is the dummy one. I think multiple execution, that's why it's showing this multiple workspace and all. Okay, and you can see now it is created now. So this is how you can work with, you can pass the request by using the hash map. So let me so in this example, that's it guys. So let me show you my channel. So my channel name is Ingenious Tech Hub. Go to this playlist. Let me show you the playlist where you can find the complete series of API testing and rest assured. Okay, so this is the, you will get in the description also. Okay, this API playlist. Okay, and rest assured, so you can start from the very beginning, and you can see till now we have uploaded 40 video, and coming days I'm trying to upload more videos. And also if you are new in the channel, please subscribe channel and press bell icon to get new video notification. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.